In this video, I am going to show you how we can edit file in Linux. So to edit file in Linux, we can use the nano command and then type the name of the file you have created. So in our last practical, we have created two test file, test and test one. So I am going to use nano command and type the name of the file test. So here you can see you can write it here. So this is a test file, and in the bottom of this nano editor you can see several options. Like if you want to save these changes, you have to press Control and O. So it will ask you to name the file. So already test name is there. If you want to change, you can change here. Otherwise, you can press enter. The changes will be saved. And if you want to exit this nano editor, you can use Control plus X. And then if you want to view this file, then you can use cat command and then type the name of the file. So whatever is written in the file will be visible to you. Second editor is VI or Vim editor. You can use the VI editor like this. So in this editor, mainly viewing is viewing mode is enabled by default, but if you want to insert anything, you can't insert until you press the I command. So insert, you can see here, insert mode is on. So now we can add anything. This is a second write on this file. So to save these changes, you can you have to type escape, and then you have to use the colon and shift, and W for write and Q for quit. If you want to emergency quit this editor, you can use quotation exclamation marks. So just use the cat command again. So you can see the second write line is visible right now. So in this way you can edit file in Linux. Thanks for watching.